everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been quite long since I've posted a video. It's been almost like 9 to 10 months that I didn't post any video. By God's grace and by your love, I've been keeping so busy in the wedding season that I was not able to post any video. But I missed you guys so much and I promise you that I'm going to post lots and lots of videos now. I think it is the perfect time to start my videos. Valentine's Day is around the corner and I'm going to start my videos with love. I have created this look for Valentine's Day. It's perfect for Valentine's Day or night. Nothing too heavy, just apt for it. Not too much to do, perfect amount of glow on your face. So in case you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start up with my face and I'll start up with Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in medium 4. This is such a great product. It's wonderful if you want glow on your skin. And the best part about this product is it peeks through your foundation as well. I will apply it on all the high points of my face, and for this I am not using any brush. I'm going to blend it using my fingers because I don't want any product to go waste. Look at the glow it creates. Now for contouring, I'm going to use Inglot Stick foundation in shade 115 and I'm using it with the Iris brush HB08. I'm going to contour first because I'm going to create an illusion of a very soft contour. So this is the right technique if you want a very soft contour on your face. I'll apply it from my ears towards my mouth, the corner of my forehead, on top of my forehead, my nose, just at the corner of my eyes, and let's not forget the jawline. We want to look perfectly sculpted, but we don't want to show it. I will blend it with the Foccular brush, and it's a perfect brush for blending. Make sure that you don't over blend it, because we just want the contour to show. Make sure when you contour your cheeks, then you always work upwards, and when you contour your jawline, you always work downwards. I'm using Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation in the shade Punjab, and I'm going to use it with a damp beauty blender. I will apply my foundation on all the areas of my face except the areas where I contour. This technique is called as inverted contouring technique, wherein we contour first and then apply foundation. It creates a very natural look and I love this technique. Applying foundation with beauty blender, and I love the original beauty blender. The way it sets foundation is amazing. Whatever is left, I'm going to apply it on the top of my eyes, and make sure that you cover your neck as well. Now it's time to conceal, and I don't want my concealer to move. So I'm using the MAC Prolongwear Concealer in NC42 and I'm applying it with a Morphe brush E21. I'm going to apply it under my eyes because that's where I need it the most. And now to set it, I'm using the Beauty Blender again. Time for highlighting, and I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Stick in the shade NC20. It's so convenient to apply, and I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. I will blend it with the damp Beauty Blender again. To set everything, but for this look I don't want the powder to be too much. I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread and applying it with the Morphe brush M438. Make sure you just apply it under your eyes and on the areas where you get oily. For contour, I'm using the Cover FX Monochromatic Bronzer Duo in Suntan Bronze, and I am applying it with a Smashbox Buildable Cheek brush. This bronzer is so beautiful. It gives you that wonderful sheen on your face. I just want a very subtle glow on my face, as if it looks like I am glowing naturally. So for this, I want Jaclyn Hill Luminous Powder, and the shade is Dew Me, and I'm applying it with a Kiko brush that I picked up randomly. It has no number, but it's a beautiful brush. I did my brows off the camera, and now it's time for my eyes. For my eyes, I'm using the Natasha Dennis Metropolis palette, and my first shade is Ripe. I'm applying it with a MAC 216 brush, and I'm applying it in the outer corner and the inner corner, and I am actually merging both of them using to and fro motions. Now I'll take a clean brush because I want it to blend pretty well. I'll apply the same shade under my lower lash line as well, and applying it with a Kiko brush number 60. Now for the main lid color, I'm using the color Crest, and I'm applying it with a Luxie Eye Shading Brush. I'll apply it all over the lid. On top of this, I want a nice gold effect, and for this I'm using the shade Blaze. I'll finish off with the shade which is called Queen using a Morphe brush, Jaclyn Hill Collection JH42, and I'll apply it in the inner corner and the brow bone. Now for my liner, I'm using the Sephora Cream Gel pencil in the shade Rich Copper 06, and I'll create a little wing at the corner of my eye using the same pencil. Now to make my eyes look big, I'm using the Inglot AMC liner in the shade 68, and I'm applying it in the lower lash line. I'll finish off the whole look with the MAC Extended Play mascara. My daughter tells me to call it as mascara, so I've learned it from her. She says, "Mom, you don't have to call it as mascara, it's mascara." I said, okay. Now for the blush, I'm using the Ciate London Marbled Light Blush in Burnt. Beautiful color, and the way it makes my cheeks shine is so beautiful. And I'm applying it with a Focallure brush. Time to glow more, so I'm using the iconic illuminator in the shade Original and applying it with a damp Beauty Blender. Make sure that you don't press too much, because if you do, then it's going to pick up the product from your skin. We just want to apply it, and I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. Remember, very little of this product goes a long way. Time to do the lips, and I am applying the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Dirty Secret. For my lip shade, I love Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. Such a universal color and so beautiful. And I will finish off my lips by Natasha Dennis lip gloss in Rosy Nude 03. Now to set everything in place, I'm using the Rare Beauty Always Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. So this is the final look right in front of you. I completely enjoyed doing this look for you. In case you also enjoyed it, do not forget to write down in the comments below. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed till now, because I promise you that I will be sharing a lot of videos with you. Also, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. I also wanted to mention special thanks to my jeweler, Sahiba Sodi Jewellery. I love her jewelry. Her Instagram handle is right at the bottom of the screen, but you guys must go and check out her collection. She has amazing stuff for Valentine's. Look at my beautiful earrings. They are in the shape of a heart. Perfect for Valentine's Day. And I love this neck piece as well. It's so beautiful. I love jewelry like this. And perfect for Valentine's because it's nothing too heavy. So if you want to get gifted or you want to gift it to your girlfriend, go and check out her collection. It's beautiful. I love you all. Stay blessed and keep watching.